When you're put under stress, do you feel the strain? Materials are no different. Strain is a description of the way a material responds to stress. More formally, strain can be defined as the deformation of a solid due to stress. Strain is determined by measuring the change in length of the material, in our case a bar, divided by its original length. When a material is subject to tension, this change can be extension. When a material is subject to compressive forces, this will be a decrease in length. This gives us the equation shown. Interestingly, strain doesn't have a unit or dimension, but it's a ratio. Strain is normally measured via strain gauges, as the actual changes in length are too small to measure or need to be measured in real time as the stresses change. Strain gauges use electrical resistance and the change in that resistance to measure the material response. I hope you now know more about these key material science concepts and they help you understand the wider world of engineering. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, drop a question in the comments, and hit that subscribe button.